What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook draft or published ads on Facebook ads account. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook. After typing, you will be redirected to the login or sign up dashboard of Facebook. From there, if you already have an account, simply click on login, or if you don't have a Facebook account, just simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email password and the credentials to create your new Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side at the home page, you will see this waffle-like icon, which is the menu icon. Click on this icon, and then after that, you will see the ads section here. Click on this ads section. After clicking on this Add section, a new tab will open of your Facebook accounts. Now hover here on the left side and then click on Campaigns. After clicking on Campaigns, here you will see all your ads. If you can't see your ads here, you must have kept the ads in the ad sets or in the ads section. You can choose wherever you have kept your ads, and from there you will see when you hover to the ads on the left side, you will see a box like icon. Just check that box icon. That is the checkbox icon. So whichever ad you want to delete, just simply check that. And when you check it, at the top, you will see a dustbin icon. Just simply click on that and then click on delete. And then your draft ad or the published ad will be deleted from your Facebook ads account. So this is how you can delete Facebook draft or published ad from your Facebook ads account. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.